Oh, yeah, wow. Burning the cab.
No idea. Arbel. Oh, not Arbel. We're in Arbel. Is it not? Arbel is a nature reserve. Yeah.
You already got that thing. They are coming. Well, we're hiking down, right? Or no?
No idea. I'd actually not been here before. There's probably one of our more intense hikes is going to be over in a lot.
Dope. There's a lot of hiking.
Yeah.
Funny.
Oh.
Thank you. You're actually funny.
My legs are already tired.
I know. I didn't expect such a steep incline so soon.
I don't remember what it was called.
He wasn't ready. Oh.
Well, yeah, in your case. Yeah. Oh, and there's like a yoga class. So that was like. Yeah. Oh, and also I get it, Jake. There's a lot. Yeah, you can. Not hard. I don't really good. Like also in high school I did cross country and track, so like sorry, I'm so sorry.
I count way too many people in jeans.
Yeah. Not hot, but
I'm pretty comfortable right here. I just like can't not see my dad. Hey Dad, if you're watching it, this guy is you. But probably with more stuff.
so do we have to like watch what we say when we're on this? We have to watch what we say when we're on this thing.
I mean, no. Why? What do you...
Just watch.
I don't know. What do you plan on saying?
All the swears in the book.
I mean, my parents already know you're a sailor.
I use my travel pillow as like another pillow. We found a very good
What's that like railroads? It's like one of those Succession songs where you sing it like over and over about like someone going up a hill. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Like a grandma or something, or a train, or like, I don't know.
Me neither.
There's a little like
I want to start climbing on that and call it a hike.
there's a little contained like circle of water.
Oh, I'm hiking. Oh, such mountainous terrain.
Guys, there's gonna be even better pics at the top. We gotta keep moving. Oh, okay.
can't be stopping.
You're disposable.
Got it on video.
I promise. Because we just might do that.
Okay, that's a good problem.
I promise. Ooh. Wait,
I love her too.
it's very comfortable outside, actually. What you think?
Yeah, it's pretty nice, huh? Whoa, big step. We're hiking now.
I like how there's like there are friends.
Certain film I think about, film in this color, I can't think of that.
No, we went on a
Do you even need to take pictures?
Huh?